Guys, welcome back to one okay, two and two come to one point. So guys, so in this premiere we are gonna be doing about Laura tropical storm Laura and two about tropical storm I forgot the name but it's tropical storm Marco. So you guys, so we here there are some bands and the inches of water which I'm gonna get is 4 or 6 inches of rain. So if you live right here, you can see right here, like all of that, and that's it, 1 out of 5. So yeah, so there's no like, so the most is orange, but it's not my favorite color. But there's no red, which is good, but still, all these bands are like bad, and there should be so much flooding. And guys, and two, our house is elevated like let's see 3 feet. So if there's 2, it's so good. But I think there won't be. It won't. There will be 6, which will be like so much, guys. And let's see the arrival time of the winds. Okay, so we Wednesday 8 a.m. when the winds come. We're like over here, and guys, this will be kind of long premiere, but well. Okay, so now, okay, so right here it is red or orange. Orange is 70 miles per hour. Okay. And but still bad because it could be that nice on our houses because it's in the warning it's super duper bad. You have to see it. Search Canada, Louisiana for the weather channel. It's so bad. It's super duper long. But boy, guys, and about right now we're talking about Laura. And now see the wind history. Right now in the Dominican Republic, there's no force winds that have tropical storm. Okay, now let's see. And now let's see the surface wind, tropical storm warning, summer tropical storm force, and summer tropical storm watch. So there's no hurricane force or hurricane watch, which is good. And yeah, so these are from the Hurricane Center and Central Pacific Hurricane Center. But guys, so I thought it would be more longer, but wait guys, so yeah, so you can pause it, but let's see, let's see the cone, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, so like this. So that's where it could come into Houston, and the winds are 40 miles per hour in tropical storm watch for Miami. Okay, so we can zoom in, but wait. So now let's see these kind of ones. Okay, I like this one. I like how it looks. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay, so yeah guys, now, so that's it. So you should be taking time tomorrow until like Sunday. But wait guys, so now let's go on to tropical storm Marco. It's hard to remember the name. So when I went Hurricane Marco, so wait, because it been going like all because it have been I think this is the same path because you know I thought it was gonna go up, but wait, so we're gonna go to Texas, so Houston, Texas, and they go yeah, so there's gonna be some and we may be out. We may be a little bit some miles literally out. I hope we are, but I don't know, guys.
So I am gonna just.
Oh guys, and so now it's Hurricane Marco. So right now it's a hurricane category 1, I believe. Oh guys. So guys, so now pausing, and now we go to the winds we have already. Okay, so it's the same, and at what time of winds, and it's kind of like around 2 p.m. Well, you can see right there about Hurricane Marco. like Monday to 11. But I'm not an expert at this. And let's see the wind history. Okay, tropical storm, like in time of hurricane, the topic is hurricane. And now, let's see. Okay. We might be a little bit on it because of this one. Okay. So yeah, now you can pause it.
Así es como muestran agradecimiento llegando tarde a la cita. No me escucha.
Okay. Tropical storm force, hurricane warning, and some are hurricane watch, and some are tropical storm warning, and tropical storm watch. And now let's see the inundation because there's something really bad about this storm. That there might be inundation, but let's see. Okay. You can pause it and analyze it. Okay, so let's see the watches and all the warnings. Okay. Some storm surge warning. But I caused by Grand Isle. And now let's see the peak surge. Okay, so right here, this is not very bad, but I have to analyze all of this. See, rainfall potential. Okay, so right here is gonna be 2 feet, which is good, but 6 plus 2 is 8, which is so much. But we are now flash rain potential. Right here, it is 5% marginal, or maybe we are in the 10% slide. But so this is air from Atlantic Hurricane Center and Central Pacific Hurricane Center. So yeah, that's everything I can see you in the next video. Bye bye.